I'm sorry.
Alalela ungakujenta ama-conflict ever since wona bekwenza i-president wona unokungwenza isilima ungafika kanjani kube president ugqoka ama-miniskirt ubuze ngathi ukuthi zonke lezi zinto zakufona you my property wena you my property
siyakudlala
yes indaba ubona ukuthi isikhathi sabantu ababili it's couple time joyela abantwana
Early bird catches the fly, remember?
yeah right kukho umuntu ondiveleke thina remember
Baby. Kami kancinci, alinde.
baby uyamazi ubusi yini Themba liphonqule pethawo hey Themba liphonqule pethawo Themba
Ngimntwana. Okay, khawulezisa ke. Yaba?
hey dang hey omatafuta kabacela umgwaqo kuseni kanje hey awukahle phethe kucopsisa ufethu oqaqwa nowakho laphana wampheka yabona konke uyabheka manje umuntu ongasa awukahle ngiyadlala masaka siyazi ukuthi usiniwe kushenge iphompela Ekuseni ngiyagingqela ntonami ngazi umkhatheni inkanyamba hayi ungezini
Okay, ntona yonke leyo uyokupheka.
Sobona singazi.
All of us.
Shout out, eh? Ekuseni, Themba. Awale president la besiqale izinto mfethu. Awuyini Themba, bepapa baba. Phela kungena umgana amakhulu wagqokile.
Oh baby, your honor.
Ehamba baba.
Thomason, are you sure about this? Do you really want to go there?
Oh, sir, Lindy, I'm a human now.
Dixon, the last time we went there, isn't there Yambanga kahle?
Lindy, isn't this all right?
Hey. Relax, big yeah.
When's that done?
Hey, G.
Don't tell me you still have a crush on that girl.
G. Love has no boundaries, no limits between space and time, dog.
Ooh, William Shakespeare, dog.
I'm telling you, dog. I'm telling you, G. This time, she's gonna be mine, dog. She's gonna be mine. Edwina? Come on, dog. What are you trying to do? What you gonna do, Mr. Boy?
Yo, man, that's water under the bridge, eh?
Lies, dog, lies. Lava for the pre-dive, eh?
Hey, do. Alright.
Okay, it's kind of I was just saying, though.
It's just that I ended things badly with that one, man.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, big time, eh?
Can you believe it? The class of 2012 finally meets after all these years.
Yeah, dog. After all that drama.
Yeah, man.
Sure, Alex. Yeah, I'm going to go through that and I'll tell you about it. Okay, sure.
Wait. Dick and Lindy.
Yeah, you got it right. Tomami! No, yo, you are no such a banga. You make a good couple. Thank you, Toby. Amazing. I know your name. Go get your mommy. ain't no more baby girl. I got this phone.
Hey, I'm buying. Yeah, let me trash.
It's trashy way.
Hey, what do you mean, man? Just because someone I'm put up here doesn't mean when I change when I'm man. Let me not boom up to tell her I too was on toilet for me.
Yes, I got your change. Sanje na manje. There's a shoe man there.
I wouldn't miss it for the wedding. Where can more about that day? Come and drink. If I have the toilet. Hey, what's in here? Open for that as a dish. Hey, when I said, hey, it's wild. Listen, what do you want to know more than I'm better than what? Shout out to the boy just that. I got Kabanga say
Smaller Mr. One Night Stand son, looking handsome as always. My mum says to come home, man. I got calling your heart, look to relax, man. He's yours forever and man for the day. He's a floor September. Yeah, girls. Salam siya nga pa, hindi mo ito yung naman lang. Oh, you bossy as ever I see. What's your name?
Hey, it's Bob. Hi, it says well. Hey, who's you? Good morning.